Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the exact text or image that will become clickable. Once selected, open the Insert menu and choose Link, or press Ctrl+K, CMD+K on Mac to jump directly there. Type or paste the full URL including http:// or use mailto for email links. Make sure the display text field shows what readers will see because clarity matters. This first step creates the connection between visible content and the target address, so the link actually works. Once done with insertion, verify and configure the link properties. You must check the URL for typos and add https:// when needed, because browsers block incomplete addresses. Next, choose whether the link opens in the same window or a new one. Use New Window for external sites to keep readers in your doc. If linking inside the document, select an anchor or heading to jump to a specific spot. Make sure display text remains descriptive. That helps accessibility and prevents confusion. To finish, test the link immediately by Ctrl+clicking or right-clicking and choosing Open Link, because catching errors now saves time later. If it fails, edit the link and correct the URL or anchor. Relative paths or missing sections often cause breakage. If the link is invisible due to styling, use clear formatting or paste special to remove stray styles. Finally, save your document, and when exporting to PDF, test links again. Export settings can alter link behavior, so verify after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.